Okay, let me go first, please, because I just want to tell you this.
All right, go ahead.
This is it. New program. Totally honest. No omitting anything.
Okay.
Okay, I went by Robin's place, and I told her about us. I didn't tell her any details or any specifics. I just told her that we're in love. She already knew that. And that we're going to be together. I figured that she really has a right to know, you know? And we don't know when we're going to see her again. And she really loves us.
Okay, I think that's a good thing. I'll talk to her, too.
Okay, oh, this is so great. I'm learning to trust my instincts again.
They've done a pretty good job for you.
I don't think I should tell Lois yet.
Right. Can you handle that?
Yeah, actually, it's been kind of weird lately, you know. I haven't really been able to tell her everything, and she hasn't told me everything. I don't even know why her and Ned broke up, or that whole ordeal. I hope we never fight like that.
We fight, we make up.
I know, you're right. We will. Honey, I love making up with you. I want you so much right now.
So soon.
I don't know if I can wait.
I've waited this long. But first, you know, I gotta...
I know. I know, you have to tell Lily.
Right.
I understand. But then after that, it's gonna be you and me together.
Maybe not.
No, listen. I don't care if we have to hide out for a while. I understand that we have to do that, but it's gonna be over at one point. And then it's just gonna be me and you,
Brenda,
and we're gonna be together, and
listen
everyone in
to me.
the whole entire world
Wait,
can know.
Brenda, could I
People don't like it, then who cares?
Could I please get a turn here?
I'm sorry, I'm just so happy to get over it.
Okay, I need you to see that your passport is in order.
Okay.
We will be leaving at the end of the week.
The end of the week? Can't believe it. Can't believe we're gonna be together. We're gonna be free. What about Lily?
Lily, is gonna be free, too. That's what she needs, and, that's the least she deserves.
Leave me alone.
No, you have to listen to me.
Why? So you can tell me that you're gonna go back to Lily?
She's pregnant, Brenda. You have to understand how that changes everything.
Sonny, you love me. How can you ask me to understand that you're gonna turn your back on us again?
This isn't about us or how we feel about each other. We've already cleared that up.
Obviously we haven't if you think you can just leave.
Brenda, we're the grown-ups. You can't ask me to sacrifice my child on any altar, not even yours.
How do you know that Lily's even pregnant for sure?
It's true.
Did you talk to her doctor? Did she take a test?
Brenda, listen.
What?
Lily wouldn't lie about this.
Oh, of course Lily wouldn't, right? Say Lily wouldn't lie about anything.
She wouldn't lie. Don't be unfair now.
Sonny, tell me how I'm supposed to be fair right now. What do you want me to do? You want me to stand here and smile and try not to flinch while you rip my heart out? I was counting on us being together. I was living for it.
Don't you think I was? But us is not an option for me anymore.
How can you say that to me? There's something we can do about this. We can figure this out together. I know that we can. It doesn't matter that Lily is pregnant. It doesn't have to be over for us.
A child is very...
Listen to me. You can have both. You can have me, and you can be with me, and I would never keep you from seeing your child. I love you, Sonny. Lily loves you, too. She would never do that to you, either.
What?
We can share joint custody.
No.
Yes.
Never.
You're not even considering it.
Never! Brenda, a long time ago I swore on everything holy that no child of mine would ever have to live with a big hole in his heart the way I did. Now, I love you. As God is my witness, I love you with all my heart. But I can't do that. I won't.
I really lost you.
At least we had it. We had it twice.
Don't talk about it. Like we're already in the past. Be a good father. Make it worth it. Sonny, it's me. Sonny, come on, I know you're in there. Sonny, please.